Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a map using your Roborock Saros 10. If you're interested in the Saros 10, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's go ahead, let's just jump right in. So first, we're in the Roborock app. We're going to select our Saros 10 right here, and we're going to create our very first map. So hopefully you see the quick mapping button on your screen right here. If not, give it a second and maybe it will show up like it did for ours. If not, no worries. Top right-hand corner, select the settings gear icon. And then we got to scroll down to manage maps. We're going to select manage maps. And right here at the very bottom in blue, it says create new map. So you can create a new map that way and follow the prompts on screen. So a couple ways you can do it. We're going to select quick mapping right here. Here it is. Also at this stage, they have a couple of tips and tricks for you. Make sure you prep your house, open the doors to the rooms that you want mapped, tidy everything up, all of that. So follow those prompts. Then select quick mapping. I hear it talking, starting mapping. And now it's going to go around the house and create the map, and then it'll come back to the station, and then we'll have our finished map. All right, the map is complete. It took about 6 minutes. It's currently heading back to the station right there. Pretty cool. And you can see in white, those dotted lines, all the paths that it took. We have obstacles here. It's showing that it avoided. Going to the different rooms. I mean, pretty cool too. There we got a cord wire that it identified. But our first map has been created now, and it's working on saving it now that the vacuum is actually back at the dock. And there we go. Take a look at what's populating here with the map. And now we have our settings here where we can select OK, good enough, or we can select adjust. And then we can edit the no-go zone rooms, add furniture, change the surface. We can do all of that right here. So say in our case, we want this to be divided. We are going to divide it right there. So we'll divide that. And then we'll do another divide on the room right here, right down the middle where the wall is. Hit divide again. It's been divided now. At this stage too, if we wanted to merge, rename, or remove rooms, we could do that. And then we could go back. You could add your no-go zones if you wanted right now. So do you want to add an invisible wall? Or do you want to add those no-go zones? You pick and choose what you want. Drag and drop on the map. But everything's exactly how we want it right now. So our map has just updated. And there we go. That's it. Simple and straightforward. I'd give it 5, maybe 10 minutes max, depending on how large your house is, how many rooms you have to create the map. And then maybe just a couple more minutes if you want to spend some time fine-tuning your map, but simple and straightforward to map with the Roborock Saros 10.